Palantir stock raises annual revenue forecast. Shares surge, but the stock market right now is pulling back. Look at Palantir, what a recovery. Let's see how the market moves today. It's going to be very important for the market to continue to climb higher. The last thing we want to see is the market as a whole start coming down, and this could be the beginning of a bear market. So, but Palantir, despite that massive jump from 21 to a high of 26, and if we switch over and let's look at what caused such a jump in pre-market. They raised its annual revenue and profit forecast for the second time this year on Monday, the latest sign that the generative AI boom is driving demand for its software services. The data analytics company also forecasted third quarter sales above estimates and reported its largest ever quarterly profit in the April to June period. CEO Alex Karp said in a letter to shareholders. Its AI platform used to test, debug code, and evaluate AI-related scenarios has enabled Palantir to tap into surging demand for services that help companies develop Gen AI technology. They're almost on their way to 1 billion. It also raised its forecast for adjusted income from operations to between 966 million to 974 million, up from its early expectation of 868 million to 880 million. 1 billion. They're well on their way to 1 billion in adjusted income from operations. Yeah, Palantir being down 9% recently, that has nothing to do with the stock, the company itself. That dip was nothing more than an opportunity to add. But we still have to be wary that, hey, we might be entering a bear market. We never know. This could be the start of the bear market and we start just going nice and cheap. Palantir, if we enter a bear market, Palantir has the potential to come down as low as $5 to $6. That's what happened here in this bear market. We came down from a high of 30 to a low of $6. It is possible that we are going to repeat history now. We hit a high of $30 and maybe now it's time for us to come back down under 10. Maybe we'll never see 10 again. I'm just telling you, if we do go into a bear market, it is absolutely possible, and it's an opportunity to buy a good company at cheap prices. The Warren Buffett method, I'm a big fan of that. Palantir was driving growth by helping companies overcome the huge bottleneck between AI application prototypes and finished products deployed to customers. The U.S. commercial business grew 55%. And I think that's the end of it. Yeah, that's the end of it for now. So I think this one is a buy. But if it goes in, if we're in a bear market right now, and this is the beginning, wait for it to come under $10. It will come down there. If you guys were around in 2022, we saw Tesla come down to 100. We saw Nvidia come down to 125 before it surged to 1,000 plus. So it'll be nothing more than an opportunity to add cheap. Let me switch to the monthly chart here. Yeah, look at that. We have been trending. This stock has been trending to the upside. Look at that channel. Here's your bear market, and here is where it bottomed out, down here at around $6 to $7. So at any point we could enter what we wouldn't know it's a bear market until we really start seeing blood in the streets. But with everything that's going on right now in the world, all it's going to take is that one catalyst, one headline, and this thing will get nice and cheap for us to add again. As of right now, though, let's assume we're still in the bear. Let's assume we're in a bull market still, because we are holding the trend line, as I just marked here. The best time to buy this stock is anywhere around $20 to $21 for months now. That has been our support. Right now, our resistance is going to be 30. 30 is going to be that big level. Let me mark that with a yellow line here. 30. If we can get over that $30 hump, we can go to 35 to 44, which were the highest points we got to way back then. So those are your levels. Again, this is long term because this is the monthly chart, by the way. This is the monthly chart. So it's going to be a while before we can get up there. And again, that's assuming we don't break down and the market just starts tanking. Either way, buy good companies at cheap prices. That is it for the video, guys. The cheapest price you might be able to get it at as of this point, if the market does come down, is 20 to 21. That's where buyers love it very clearly here. The next level would be 14 to 15 right here, and then finally 630 if it does come down that low. This is just based off of the monthly chart. That is it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to know more about AI stocks. I cover stocks like Serve. I cover stocks like AITX and SoundHound and many more. NVIDIA itself, Tesla. I'll see you guys in the next one.